Well, I got a couple days off around Christmas, and I thought to myself, probably time to piss off the internet again. So last night I was actually out here, I was putting on these mirrors, because I never put on mirrors, and I gotta say, as cool as it looks out mirrors, it is very frustrating trying to drive without being able to see out the back. It has a rear view, but you know what? Side mirrors, honestly, it's a safety thing. And I was just doing that, I was like, you know what? I should probably throw all my old man stuff that I've been kind of collecting at this thing and drive around with it. So I had a roof rack I loaned my buddy Josh, and he broke it. Anyways, so I fixed it all. I put a bunch of all-thread rod in it, so now we got ourselves a sweet roof rack. Actually, Josh gave me this. This is for a truck, but we'll see how it looks. A little bug deflector on 57 Chevy. Man, one of you guys sent me these a while ago, and I think we're going to shorten them up and make them fit. But why have a roof rack if you're not going to roof rack stuff? So today, I went and searched the old marketplace and found, I actually feel bad for the people that sold me these things. So this is like a, I don't know, an 8-foot toboggan, which is apparently pretty rare, like I was saying. And no one wanted it, and I got it real cheap. And some other lady, she sold me these skis, and she was all impressed by them because they're Norwegian. And so I wasted $50 today. But anyways, that is what we're going to put on the roof rack. I also pulled out this farm jack, which really, I feel like it should be on the car somehow. I was thinking I might trim it down because I don't need the crazy high lift. But maybe it could fit across the back bumper. We'll see. I don't know what's behind here. Oh, nothing. Bumper's all beat to shit anyway, so we get a little bit more weight back there for traction. I mean, it is winter. Plus, it'll look cool, right? So first things first, let's get the roof rack on, and let's get all this junk on it, because that'll be my favorite. Everything else is just kind of cosmetic, wasting my time. Well, a little bit of yours. Thanks for watching. Fortunately, the GoPro is not happy with the weather, but so you're kind of half inside with the heater going. Sorry about that. So, where do we think we want this? That's about center. Oh yeah, this is oh, internet comments. I don't even know what to say to you, but let's get her on. You know, people keep telling me that I've jumped the shark, and I mean, I don't know, the Fonz is doing pretty good, right? Side do we want to put these on? Maybe we should go on top for the skis, maybe. Well, gotta make it look the same here. You have to get some little ratchet straps. I wasn't really thinking that part out. Oh, like bamboo. Do they have bamboo in Norwegia? Normandy? Oh yeah. And I think we should put the toboggan maybe through. That way if this takes off, because this is all that really matters, we can actually use this. Some poor kid could. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I can just tie this around. Like, somebody in 1958 did this. I'm not even original. How's it look from your guys' view? Thank God for YouTube, or else stuff like this just wouldn't exist. All right, well, I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna strap that down. I don't have any short straps. And I was worried the toboggan was gonna be too long, but honestly, I think we nailed it. Take a vote. Where do you want it? A little further forward? That's like centered. That looks good. I feel like we need more things on it. I did buy some old school luggage from Valley Village too, so maybe I'll put that up there. So I went inside to warm up a little bit. I cut down these mud flaps. Man, those are awesome. So we got the bumper mounted jackal. Oh, old man knees. So we use small thread. I put some safety, jam nut with a wing nut on it. Really, I mean, a wrench will probably need to take this off, but I didn't want it falling off. But we sandwiched it so it's not gonna be clanging around. Maybe a little Velcro strap around there would be kind of nice. And I pinned it because safety. So now what we're gonna do, the rear wheels basically throw stuff up right here. Now originally I wanted to put it there, but if you look at a Tri-5 Chevy, you can't on the teardrop. It looks goofy with a mud flap. So we're gonna drill a couple more holes and do it right like that, like an old school Chevy truck. So this is all packed full of snow. So I'll have to hammer that out. We'll sandwich it in there. We might have to use a spacer. I'm not really too sure how it's going to work, but the camera's warm. Let's lapse it. Well, oh, it's like a truck. So I love that. It is freaking freezing out here. I put the bug deflector on. Now what I did was I straightened out the frame, and there's already holes in the hood for the V, so I just put a couple self tappers. They're actually loose, I didn't even hold it, but I don't know how I feel about it. If I should go further back maybe, or what, but I think the big thing is it's rectangular and it doesn't look good. Maybe if I lower it, we'll see, but I've lost interest. I think that's coming off for tonight. I think we're gonna drive around, see if this thing gets any attention, and maybe finish out the video tomorrow. Danny went out and it's gonna be dark right away. Story of winter life, but there you go. It's like the JC Whitney of 2022. As much junk on here as I can possibly fit. and I love every minute of it. New day. Wanna go see the car?
Yeah.
Let's go, Goose.
I want to be Maverick.
All right, Maverick, open the door muscles. Cleaned up in here.
Why is it so heavy?
Use your legs. Okay, shouldn't be that difficult. Oh, reveal time, come on. I had a few safety straps. A little bit of rope, some straps, a little tie wire here and there.
I like this luggage, it's in good shape.
That's not bad. There's a rip in one side, but I put a rope through it so when it all comes flying off.
Are we gonna actually toboggan?
How's your health insurance?
It's not good.
Yeah. Let's go. Get out, watch me break this thing. It's gonna happen. We're not far to walk home when it yaks the belt and blows the rear end up at the same time. Some traction issues here. Man, it's icy here. It wants to do its own thing. Kind of smells like burning.
I need a seatbelt on, please.
Safety first. Really, the whole thing is we just have to go get some milk for coffee or cream or whatever we're doing. So we might as well hit up every parking lot we can and spin around and do donuts. Slick here. It's hard to do anything. It was angled backwards. I almost got stuck. We'll just go on the road and try again. Chevy made a damn fine car in 1957. This way? Alright, let's get it. So something I love and my daddy hates is when I make a ruckus in public. Very nice! How much?
Very nice. How much?
Great success!
Great success.
Well, there you have her. Man, I love this car. I absolutely love it. So, just have a little bit of fun. Obviously, we're not doing anything too serious on this video whatsoever. Don't worry, nothing's been screwed on permanently. We just got a few wire ties and a little bit of, I wonder what that looks like going down the road, and a little bit of rope. But what I was trying to accomplish was Griswold family truckster meets a little bit of Mad Max. And then we beat the hell out of it. So this car is fantastic. I don't know, it loves getting beat on. My only concern is it's got stock rear end. I do have a 12 bolt out of it, or for it, that came out of that Nomad when I bought it. So I'm thinking I might narrow it and have it all rebuilt, new brakes, put that in here, and then we'd have ourselves an absolute animal. And I really think it needs a turbo, but that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Do me a huge favor, subscribe to the channel. Honestly, if you've subscribed and you like this video and you leave a comment, you're just encouraging this stupidity. Now, if you're one of the people that are saying, why are you doing that to this car and all that? I feel bad for you. It's just a car. It's supposed to be fun. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.